In this question, you have to identify the correct match. Option A, sickle cell anemia is to autosomal recessive trait chromosome number 11. Now, sickle cell anemia is indeed an autosomal recessive genetic disorder, meaning both parents must pass on the defective gene for the disease to be expressed in their children or in the offspring. And the mutation occurs in the HBB gene, which is located on chromosome 11, which codes for the beta globin subunit of hemoglobin. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, thalassemia is to X-linked. It is incorrect because thalassemia is not X-linked. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. And beta thalassemia, for example, is caused by the mutations in HBB gene located on chromosome number 11. But the alpha thalassemia is caused by mutations in the HBA1 or HBA2 genes, which is located on chromosome number 16. Option C, hemophilia is to Y-linked. It is also incorrect because hemophilia A and hemophilia B both are X-linked recessive disorder and not Y-linked. Option D, phenylketonuria is to autosomal recessive trait. Now, phenylketonuria, that is PKU, is an autosomal recessive disorder and it is caused by the mutations in the PAH gene, which is located on chromosome number 12, that encodes the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Hence, it is incorrect.